Hello, I'm Yuri Montanholi. I'm a researcher and instructor at Lakeland College, and most of my activities relate to new technologies applied to livestock, drone, biosensors, and a few other different things.
I'm Wylee Squair. I'm also at Lakeland College. I am a student taking my bachelor in agriculture technology. And then through the practicum, we get the opportunity to work with the drones for the project that we're working on with Bison Research.
My name is Balan. I'm also a Lakeland College student working on my bachelor's degree in agriculture technology. Under Dr. Yuri Montanholi, we're doing some bison research and we're utilizing drones.
So at Lakeland College, we do have our own herd. It's about 200 cows. So it's very unique to have a bison herd for us to do work. In the way that the bison program is structured at the college, so we have the student managed farm for bison. So there's a group of diploma students that take care of the whole husband of the herd, when it's time to wean the calves and cool the cows, whatever it is. Besides that, to have a bison program, so students that are there, they come to the college at the diploma level to study bison and become have a technical level to deal with that species, which is also very unique. It's certainly the only one in Canada. And then another side of the bison work, it is a research. So having this three-way approach on the bison helps us to be quite complementary and take big steps.
Lakeland College is unique in their approach to hands-on learning. They actually have an entire student-managed farm. Yes, the entire learning experience from the beginning is very hands-on. And for me, it's something that drew me to Lakeland College and that I very much prefer. If you look at the demographic of farmers, if you look at the average age of a farmer, they're getting older. So I think there is a need in the industry for a younger population to get into it and to learn how to use the current technologies and to show farmers how to use them and how they can be implemented. Benefits are, they're limitless. The stuff that we're using with drones, the remote applications, so anything you do with livestock, it's hands off and you're not disturbing them.
The whole aspect of technology is a really great thing. It's growing and it's inevitable that we're going to need to embrace it. I've always thought, especially in agriculture, the land base that we can use is shrinking all the time with urbanization. So we need technology to make that more efficient and more productive. If we can embrace it that way and get the data we need to do that, I think that's a big thing. Specifically with the bison industry, which is what our practicum's focused around right now, we're doing things that haven't been done before. The first time I ever was out in the bison field, we went out in the truck and they all kind of huddled up around us and they were looking at us and they were like, what are these guys doing out there? And now that we've started utilizing drones, we can see behaviors that you never would be able to see before without them. And we've got videos of them drinking or grazing or calves nursing or rolling in the sand. So it's really great that way. And yeah, just being able to gather that data that is really next to impossible to gather otherwise. Coming from an agriculture background, I guess, we were always out of the house dealing with animals hands-on or outside working. So being able to come to Lakeland College and experience that, and get out in the field and do some hands-on learning, it's really great. It's second to none.
It's going to be interesting to see how this technology is going to be applied and implemented in the future. And it's going to be exciting to see how it impacts the livestock industry and the agriculture industry.